Good morning, you guys. I wanted to show you how to sign up for Writer Duet, which is how we are going to be writing our screenplays. This is the format that we're going to be using and the website we're going to be using. So it's really great because it does a ton of the work for you. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go to writerduet.com, and this is a totally free program. And you're going to click on sign up for free. So I just want to walk you through this. Okay, I'm going to just put sign up with email or sign in with email. Now, for you guys, if you're on your Chromebook, you should just be able to do this. I'm going to use my personal email because I've already got an account through my school email, and I just want to show you how to set this up for the first time. Okay, so you would put your first and last name. I'm going to just use a nickname because I'm worried it'll say, hey, you already have an account, and then I'm going to choose a password. Okay, and so that's that easy. Okay, here's what it looks like when you first open it up. Now, you just have a blank page here. So, and just hit agree to that little notice if it pops up. To see a quick tutorial video, I highly recommend this, that you watch and see. But I just wanted to show you the kinds of things that it will do. So when you first start typing, the first thing that you do in a script is that you write interior or exterior, and we call that a slug line or a scene heading. So I just want to show you a little bit about script elements with this. Scroll through here. Okay. So these are just Georgia Film Academy slides, and I will post these because there are some tutorials, but I don't want to overwhelm you with this either because they give a lot of instruction on these slides about, like margin spacing and everything, but you honestly do not need to worry at all about that because, like I said, this Writer Duet project, or this Writer Duet thing that we're using, it does everything for you. Okay, so a scene heading is also known as a slug line, and it tells a reader where a scene takes place. So in other words, where are we standing? Where do we put the camera? Here are some examples. So EXT stands for exterior. So exterior, Jim's house, patio, night. And you always have a location. So you always have interior, exterior, where we are, where specifically we are, and like what time of day it is typically. Okay, INT stands for interior. So interior, Connor Aerospace, Connor's office, establishing. Interior, exterior. So this is like if your scene is going to have multiple places, like if you walk from the Walker Farmhouse kitchen outside, okay? That kind of thing. Okay, so let me show you how to do that. So when you start typing, literally these things pop up. So interior, you can do interior, exterior, or IE. I wouldn't do this one, it's just an abbreviation of interior, exterior, it's the same thing. Okay, let's say interior. And then look at that, it already pops up for you too. So continuous just means you're continuing from the same thing as you did before. Like if it's just a few moments later and you're continuing the same time of day, you can just put continuous. Okay, so I'm actually not going to put this yet. So I'm going to put interior, kitchen, and I'm not caps locking or anything. Like, again, like it does everything for you. And then I'll put day. Okay, so the next step is your action. So after you have your slug line, which is again that interior, exterior, you want to be able to next put your action. So this tells your actors and your director, all your people, what's happening. It sets the scene. It's similar to your stage directions in a play. So here's an example. Stars shine bright as 7 hostages tremble on a building rooftop. Notice, man with a gun is all caps because it's a character, and you do continue that just like you did in a play. With a screenplay, your characters are all caps also. Here's another example, and here's another example here. Feel free to pause and read those. And let's go over to Writer Duet and see how you would do that. So again, this is the action, and it comes right underneath your slug line. You're going to always have action. So if I'm up here with the slug line, I just want you to notice what happens over here. So we're on scene, Again, that's your slug line, interior, exterior. Scene heading is the full word for that, full vocabulary term. So as soon as I click enter, you are going to see this move to action. So again, it does it for you. So here I go. I'm going to enter. There it goes. It's moved to action. And it knows what to do. So I'm going to start typing. Let's see what's going to be happening in our kitchen. Me and let's see. Valerie stands at the kitchen counter. Light beam falls on coffee cup. Maisie, my dog, looks longingly at food bowl. Okay, so that's my action. So that's what's happening. So now let's talk about dialogue and where that goes. Let's go back here. All right, character name. Okay, we've already discussed this. Character names are written in all caps. And again, you don't need to worry about the margins or anything like that. Now, a lot of you guys use voiceovers, and this is how you do it. So if you want to notate a voiceover, then you just put it in parentheses V period O period. And again, it does it for you. So I'm going to show you. So let's say my dog needs a voiceover because my dog can't talk. So the dog character is going to need voiceover. Okay, when I enter, watch what it does over here on the side. Okay, it thinks that I'm going to have more action, but I'm not. I actually need a character. So you can do it two ways. You can either tab, and it's going to become character for you. Or if you go back up here, and again, I'm going to press enter, you can click character, and it goes to the right space. And it's automatically going to... Hey, buddy, yeah. So you can go here, and like, let's say my dog talks first. Maisie. And I'm going to put V, and look, as soon as I put that parentheses, it knows.
Maisie right here?
That is Maisie. My son is helping me narrate this slide voiceover. All right. So here's what Maisie's going to do. And again, all you got to do is enter, and it knows what you're trying to do.
Enter, Maisie.
Mommy, are you planning on feeding me today? And then it thinks that I'm going to have action here, but I'm not. I'm going to have another character. So again, I'm going to tab, and it's going to know that it's me. And it knows that I need dialogue here. So again, keep an eye on your sides here. Maybe, let's see, what am I going to say? I'll say, oh gosh, so sorry. Oops. Try that again. Dialogue. I don't know why I did that. Oh gosh, so sorry, Maisie. Keep spelling my dog's name wrong. I didn't see you there.
Look at me, I climb up here.
Yeah, good job, buddy. All right, so that's really the bare bones of Writer's Duet, just to kind of show you with what kind of portion. Now, let's say there's a transition. I can get into that more in a second tutorial. I just really want you to play around with this portion first. Now, the catch with Writer Duet is that you only get, I think it's 2 screenplays before your free trial is out. Don't pay for it. You know, just, you can always delete one and start over again, and it's fine. So if you guys have questions about this, as always, like, please let me know. But definitely give Writer Duet a try and see what you think about this. And I'm going to upload these slides to Google Classroom, and I haven't gone over all of them, but just to give you an idea about how this works to begin with. All right, you guys have a great day.